Hi there, my name is Kian. Here I talk about personal finance and investments. Have you ever tried copying other traders? How do you do it? Is it automated somehow? In this video, I'm gonna show how to use the Autocopy feature to copy other traders on the Naga platform. Let's do it. By the way, if you are new here, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Well, we've all been there. We've all been searching or considering new ways to invest our money, but trading didn't really feel like the right approach, or you didn't just have a time to trade properly. It is actually valid and understandable. If you fit into this scenario, you shouldn't turn away from trading and all the opportunities it can offer. You can just consider Autocopy. One of the platforms where you can copy other traders is Naga. So what is Autocopy? Autocopy is essentially linking yourself to another user's trading activity. You no longer need to rely on your own analysis, knowledge, and execution. You don't even have to take the knowledge and wisdom of the trading community and implement it in your trading. You just need to find the pro traders that fit into your style and press Autocopy. Any trades the pro trader or copy trader opens will simply be opened in your trading account, depending of course on whether you have the funds available to open that trade. Since the copy trade is linked to the other user, when they decide to close the trade, it will also close on your end. And of course, you can always choose to close the trade at any time on your own. This way you trade whatever and whenever they trade simultaneously and automatically. It's that simple. And if you ask, does it actually work? I would say everyone is rooting for each other and all for winning trades. You could say that pro traders and copiers relationship is truly symbiotic and not adversarial. Pros need copiers as they earn rewards per copier per trade, and copiers need pros as they rely on their expert trading. And how do you find the pro trader for you? Before you enable Autocopy, you should take a look at the leaderboard of top traders and filter based on your criteria along the top. Here is an example of a leaderboard that shows the top traders based on their profits made for the past month. But you can choose, for example, to filter by profits for copiers all the time. Once you find a user you are interested in autocopying, simply click on their profile and click on Autocopy. And now you have to set the Autocopy. In this window, you'll be offered two Autocopy types, percentage or amount. Percentage will copy a percentage of trader's position. Say for example, copy trader opens a buy position on gold with a size of 1 unit. If you are autocopying choosing percentage, then if you choose 100%, then you too will open the same buy gold position with a size of 1 unit. In case of 50%, you will open the same buy gold position with a size of 0.5 unit. And respectively, if you choose 10%, then you will open the same buy gold position with a size of 0.1 unit. This type takes into consideration the size of trader's trade size in order to determine your trade size. Another type is fixed amount per trade. This type, on the other hand, will ignore pro trader's position size and simply open the same trade with your fixed investment amount. In the previous example of trader's buy gold position with a size of 1 unit, if you are autocopying with a fixed amount per trade, for example, let's say you got to invest $800, then you will open the same buy gold position with an investment amount of $800. If you choose $200, you invest $200. As you can see, autocopying with a fixed amount per trade ensures a fixed amount every time a trade is copied, irrespective of pro trader's position size. Once you determine and set your autocopy type, you can set a stop loss or take profit. That will be applied automatically with every copy trade. And when you finalize the stop loss and take profit levels, simply click Autocopy to enable it. To track and manage your autocopies, you can go to Auto Invest and then Autocopy and Active, where you can see all active and closed trades of users you are autocopying. On the upper right hand side, you can click into the drop down menu to edit the autocopy settings such as the autocopy type or amount, or you can disable the autocopy. You can disable an autocopy by selecting Pause Autocopying. If you disable an autocopy, that user will appear in the inactive section. And if you want to see the trading activity you've been following, the timeline will show you all activities related to your autocopies, including copy traders or missed opportunities. Any existing trades from Autocopy can also be found in your My Trades section. Copied trades will appear with the word copied in the source column. Let me know in the comments what do you think of copying other traders with such features, and let's have a discussion. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.